Meaning of hanky-panky.
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 Hanky-panky. The term hanky-panky is usually used to refer to dishonest or illicit behavior, particularly of a sexual nature. It can also imply secrecy or deception in general. The exact origins of the term are unclear, but it may have come from the Scottish word hanky-panky, which meant trickery or deception. The phrase has been commonly used in popular culture, such as in the title of the song Hanky-Panky by Tommy James and the Shondells. Overall, hanky-panky connotes suspicious or underhanded actions that typically involve an element of deception or impropriety.